Hi guys. All right, so last time we met, we worked on CVCC words and we started talking about putting the digraphs at the end of the word, which were the sh, ch, and th. Okay? So last time we met, we made some CVCC words with the digraph of sh. Remember, the digraph are two letters that make one sound. Last time we met, it was the sh, and we made words like fish, posh, cash, mash, dash, wish. Okay? Today what we're going to do is we're going to work with a new digraph, which is the ch one. You might recognize the ch one from when we were putting the ch sound at the very beginning of our words. For example, ch, I, n, chin, chin, right? What we're going to do today is we're going to try to put the ch at the very end of this, okay? So I'm still following our pattern of CVCC, and I'm taking those two consonants over here, and I'm using the digraphs to put at the very end. So I'm using these two, which is the C and the H, but together they make a ch sound. So when I'm trying to decode my words, when I come across them, I want to remember that the CH makes a ch sound, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with some vowels. I'm going to be changing vowels and consonants. And to be perfectly honest, there are just not a lot of words that are 4 letters that follow this pattern. But I'm going to show you just a few ones that I did find and that are super easy. And I know you guys are going to be able to decode them, okay? This is ch. This is the vowel of I. Itch, itch. What does that make? Itch, rich. Woo! I'm rich. I have a lot of money. Rich. Okay? So here's my ch sound. Rich. Itch. 3 sounds, right? Rich. Good. I'm going to take the R away. I'm going to put the U over here. This is the vowel of U. It makes a sound. So, ch. Ch. Such. I like candy such as, that means for example, such as Twix, Kit Kat, peanut, M&Ms, dark chocolate. Yummy. Right? Such. Now I'm going to keep the and I'm going to put the M here. Ch. Much. Thank you very much. Okay? Over here, that's much. That's honestly all the ones that I found with a ch, but if you have any other ones that you found that follow this pattern that have 4 letters, please let me know. But what I do want you guys to do on do-it-yourself part is you will find words that have the ch sound at the front, at the beginning, and words that have the ch sound at the end. I just want you guys to sort them because the point is for you guys to decode the words and then match the pictures to them, okay? As long as you can decode whether the ch sound is at the front and at the very end, that's going to be a really great job, okay? So think about words that have the ch sound, whether it's at the end over here, like the word much, or at the front, like chin. Okay, I want you guys to start practicing inside your brain, looking for the ch sound at the front and at the very end. Got it? Okay. Hope you guys have a good one. Bye.